In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly see all your direct messages in Slack. If you've ever struggled to find past conversations, this guide will make it super simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Start by opening Slack on your desktop, mobile app, or browser, then log in with your email, Google, or Apple account. Once you're inside, make sure you're in the right workspace, since each one has its own set of conversations. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll until you see the section called Direct Messages or DMs. Click it and Slack will instantly show you a full list of every private chat you've had, whether one-on-one or in small groups. From here, you can jump back into old conversations, revisit shared files, or follow up with colleagues. It's basically your Slack inbox for private chats, all neatly organized in one place. And that's it. You now know how to view all your direct messages in Slack with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy guides to make Slack work better for you.